What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can get Google Live Chat support and if it's possible or not to get the live support. So first of all, you're going to have to head over to your browser. At the top search bar, type in Live Chat Google Support. So even though I have typed Live Chat, it will show me two options. One is Chat Support Help, another is Google Chat Help. So let's go ahead, tap on the first search result and tap on three bar icon from your top left. Here select Chat Support. Even if I tap onto it, it will continue to redirect me to this page. So meaning there is no exact live support. However, you may go ahead and describe the title of your problem and then tap on search. And likewise, the only thing you could do is tap on this read more and get help, or simply send a feedback to Google saying the recommendations are not helpful, not relevant, and it will just say thank you for your feedback to improve help, but not providing an actual solution. So guys, these are all the things that you should know, and thank you for watching.